In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat not installed on Steam games. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to do is open up our Steam application, go to our library, and then find whichever game you're having this issue with. It can be very annoying. So all we want to do is find whatever game that is. Let's say in my instance, it's Rocket League. So all I want to do is if anything like that was installed, or let's say Kingdom Hearts or GTA 5, anything like that, all I'm going to do is right click, go to manage, and then I'm going to press browse local files. So whatever game it is, I just want to look for the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Of course, it's only going to be available on games that have Easy Anti-Cheat enabled for them. So I have EA Anti-Cheat, but which is an Easy Anti-Cheat. But let's just say you have a game downloaded like that. Let's pretend this is Easy Anti-Cheat. All you want to do is go over to the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Within that, you should see Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup. Once you find that, all you got to go ahead and do is right click it, then go over to properties. Now, once you're in properties, you're going to see a lot of different things like details or anything like that. But what you want to do is go to the shortcut tab, and then at the very end of the shortcut tab, where it says target, at the very end of the target, what you want to do is do a space where it says at the end of exe, then type in install space prod-fn like this. Then we want to go ahead and press apply and then OK. And then it should basically install for that specific game, providing it's an Easy Anti-Cheat game. And yeah, it's as simple as that.